Hello, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and today I am unboxing Mary Did You Know by Mandie Manzano. I have a Diamond Art Club Mary Did You Know by Mandie Manzano. I got it in a Diamond Art Club's mystery box, and I like it. I am a very I love the Lord, and Mary and Jesus hold a special place in my heart. But this canvas is got a lot of dark colors for me. So we're going to unbox it, and if anyone is interested in it and would like to make a trade with me, email me at pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com, and let's see if we can work something out. So I'm going to do the unboxing so you can see everything that comes with it. P.S. There was no training card in this box. Here it is. It is 42 centimeters by 57, or 16.5 inches by 22.4 inches. I have no intention of completing this. Unfortunately, this one has, it might turn out really nice because of this background. You know, Diamond Art Club, you know, it might shine. It has no fairy dust drills. It has one AB. Kind of sad about that. So your toolkit is your standard toolkit. It comes with a putty pen. The toolkit's going to come with it. I'm not taking anything out. Here's your extra putty. Here's some baggies. And there's what comes in the tray. There's your heart wax. So, and it's a small tray. Small tray means small canvas. So, let's see how small it is. So that's the toolkit. And it comes with the little drawer, but I might not include the drawer because the drawer is kind of heavy. So I might leave the drawer out for shipping reasons if I have to ship it. But if somebody locally wants it, I'll put the drawer in. Okay. Let me put these guys over here. Let me put that there. I love the case. This is pretty, actually. Very pretty. Yep, very pretty. Well, guys, let's look at the drills. Here's the colors. It's not that bad, actually. But I'm kind of disappointed there's no fairy dust or anything like that. Yeah, it's a lot of dark colors. There's a lot of light colors too. All right, I'm going to go through the colors, and I'm not going to say anything. This is the ASMR part, and here we go. That wasn't too bad. So there are no 6,000 colors in here either. And it's only got one AB. And that AB is going to go around the baby Jesus right here. All that white is going to be ABs, and then sprinkled all along, wherever you see these white dots, those are all ABs. Very pretty. If I don't get any takers, I might actually complete it. But that's it for the special drills. I figured there would have been more special drills in here around the baby Jesus, all the rays. I figured they would have blinged that up somehow. But this is a square canvas. And I believe this is the only square canvas I got in my box. All the rest were rounds. Look at that. It's pretty. It is pretty. So if you're interested in this, email me and let me know what you got. And maybe we can come up with a trade. So that is this video for this product. Stay tuned for the next one that I have. Okay. Remember, be kind to everyone you meet.